Hey friends, Trisha here from the Freedom Hill studio. I wanted to show you my latest purchase and give you an overview. I purchased the 42-piece set of presser feet for my machine and I'm super excited. I've already been trying some of the presser feet and having fun, and some of them have a learning curve. I'm learning how to use them, but I wanted to show you how they came and how I organized them. So they came with this pamphlet that shows an up-close picture of each one and what it's called. This is very helpful. They came in this box, and the box was in fine shape when it got here, but it is very flimsy, and it didn't take long for it to already show that it's coming apart. So I knew immediately when I got it in the mail that I was going to replace this box. Number one, because it was very hard just to get things out of there. It's tight, and these would come out real easily, and I just was like, nope. I'm not going to fight with my storage system. And so I knew I was going to replace this. I may find another use for this, but honestly, I just think it's a piece of trash because it's very flimsy and cheap. But let me show you more in detail this pamphlet that came with the set. It not only has an overview of each presser foot, but it has an up-close description and picture. Let me try to get a better angle here for you. Of each one. And there are 42, so this takes up the front and the back of this paper. But I will show you how I organized it because this was very inefficient. So this is my system of organizing. I went to Michael's last night. I had a 50% off coupon, and I found this gorgeous linen box with an acrylic top in the jewelry section where you buy jewelry, beads, and findings to make jewelry. I thought this was gorgeous. They had it in brown. They had only this one in gray. I preferred the gray. I like it a lot better. So let me show you how I organized my presser feet in this gorgeous box. Now that is much better. Much better than that cheap little plastic box. Trying to adjust my strap here so I can show you how easy to reach in here and pick up any presser foot I need. So what I didn't want is for them just to be jumbled in here in no particular order. So I took the pamphlet that came with it and I made copies of it, and I cut one apart. I cut those copies apart and made a little book. I made this book and I organized the presser feet in the order that they appear on the chart. So I took the chart, took a picture, glued it inside this little book, and the first two, it's supposed to be braiding foot. They misspelled it. But those first 2 feet are in this first box, and so on and so forth, that it goes all the way down. So each time I look, these two are in the next slot. These two are in the next slot. And I organized the entire box in that way. So they are basically in order of the pamphlet. And then I took the individual pictures and descriptions of each foot that they had, like, you know, they had them in the book like that. I took those and I cut them apart and glued them individually on pages that I created for this book. So as you can see, I have each one described, what I might need to use it for, and so on and so forth. And so every single one of these pictures and descriptions are on a page, and they are in the same order that the presser feet are organized inside the box. Now, the only other thing I'm going to do, which I have not done yet, but I think I need to do, is create a chart for the back, and I would put that chart way in the back of the book. Create a chart for what kind of stitch and stitch sizes I need for each presser foot so that there's no guesswork. So that's going to take some time and some doing, and I haven't done that yet. But I did want to get these organized today so I can get using them. So that's my weekend project. Well, my Saturday project anyway. I was thrilled to find this little box, and right now Michael's has quite a few 50% off coupons, and she gave it back to me and said it's good for one more day, so I could go back today to get something. I'm probably not. Anyway, so that's my latest find. The 42-piece set of presser feet is now mine, and I'm excited to get started with that. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting!